Human nature tries to capture the thinking in my head. Doing a karaoke from Eve and Alicia Key. Let's see. I have to wait for the advertisements. Yeah, yeah. I just want to be right now, tonight, tomorrow night, and the night after. I just want to see the fantasy in this life, but I don't want to become the things I see anymore. Because if I do, everyone is playing back to yesterday. And if you see something from someone else, maybe they take it easy, but you want to go all the way. I know, I believe dreams can come in the eyes of someone else. It is never too late to sit and just watch other people being the star, and you can just chill. But if you want to make competition, you don't have people standing next to you. But some people get lucky to live next to people who can make things happen. So why don't you chill tonight, tomorrow night, and the night after? I don't have fantasy to fulfill, but I'm gonna see fantasy everywhere in this life. Oh, fantasy is cool, everyone is watching. But when you look at your mirror, someone else is standing in your mirror. And now you wanna do what you see in the mirror. Why don't I try to be the me in my mirror for a second? And I can watch the rest, so many shadows in the mirror these days. If you don't be careful, when you're looking at the mirror, so much plan, so much fantasy. You will say, God don't like me, but like other people. But it's make-believe. They are not there. It was just a moment. It is just a fantasy. Fantasy. Someone else is standing in your mirror. Hey, yeah. It is fantasy. They are not there, but you can always play back what you see. What you see. It is never too late for you to play back what you see. Oh, yeah. Oh, someone in my mirror, someone else standing in my mirror, someone else. Oh.